Hey everyone, I'm NojiNora, the ramen maniac. Today, I'm making an insanely spicy Jiro-Style Mazemen from Japan. It turned out incredible, so get ready. My name is NojiNora, short for Nojiro no Life. Back in college, I studied abroad in the US, and I've loved America ever since. Let's get cooking! Spicy red Jiro-Style Mazemen. Hey, I'm NojiNora, ramen lover from Japan. Stick around and watch till the end. Today, I'm making a seriously spicy ramen. Let's go! It's ramen, but with no soup. I'm making a mazemen, maze soba. Watch till the end. You've probably never seen this before, so get ready. First, let's make the noodles from scratch. Making noodles at home? That's pure ramen romance. Best time ever. Ramen noodles are made from bread flour, salt, kimchi, and water. What makes it different from udon, soba, or pasta is the kimchi. Kimchi is an alkaline mineral water used in ramen noodles. By adding kimchi, the noodles turn yellow, get chewy, and develop that signature ramen flavor. Maybe kimchi is part of what makes ramen so addictive. Like the video! Now, it's time to knead the dough with my feet. Stepping on the dough also helps develop gluten, making the noodles stronger and chewier. But if you overwork it, the gluten can break down and the noodles lose their structure. If you ever try making noodles, pay attention to how long and how many times you step on the dough. For me, I repeat the step and fold process about 4 times. At the end, try to shape it into a square as you step on it. That way, the next lamination and rolling process becomes much easier. Subscribe for more ramen! I'll explain the lamination process in more detail later. Here, I cut the dough sheet into equal pieces to match the size of my noodle machine. This is what the cross-section looks like. Nice and even, right? This is my noodle machine. It's called the Ono-style noodle maker. It was made about 20 years ago, an old school, serious noodle machine for home use. This machine can do 2 things, lamination and cutting. It comes with 2 different cutting blades, so I can make various noodle thicknesses, perfect for ramen or even udon. What I'm doing now is rolling the dough. This process stretches it evenly. Like the video! Woohoo! Next is lamination. This means folding the dough and rolling it again to build stronger layers. Honestly, this process is really challenging, but that's exactly why I can lose myself in it, and why it's so much fun. The feeling you get after overcoming something difficult. It's a kind of happiness you just can't replace. The key is adjusting the hydration level depending on the season and the humidity. Humidity and the temperature can seriously affect how firm the noodles turn out. But don't be afraid. Making noodles is all about having fun. Just go for it. And just like that, the noodles are done. A final dusting of cornstarch, and they are perfect. Just like this. Beautiful ramen noodles ready to go. Wait, not yet. I need the noodles to create that signature curl. They're delicious even without the curls, but when you add that wave, the sauce clings better, and it tastes even more insane. The next day, ramen takes time, so I give it a full day to rest and do it right. I carefully prepped all the toppings too. Let me show you what we've got. Garlic, egg, chashu, pork back fat, garlic chives, green onions, bean sprouts, kimchi, and extra kimchi sauce, kaeshi ramen sauce, a touch of MSG, the noodles we made yesterday. Subscribe for more ramen! Alright, let's start cooking and bring this ramen to life. Let's boil the bean sprouts to your preferred tenderness. For this no-soup ramen, everything together before eating. So basically, I cut all the toppings into small pieces. I season the pork buckfat with kaeshi tare and kimchi sauce to make it spicy. Mincing garlic is a pain, so I'm letting this pro chopper do the work. An egg yolk is perfect for mazemen. It adds richness. And don't forget to remove the charaza. The noodles have been resting in the fridge, so I loosen them up really well. Into a big pot of further boiled water. Go swim noodles. Gently stir constantly so the noodles don't stick to the bottom of the pot. This is where I'm mixing the sauce base. The base is built with tare, MSG, garlic, seasoned pork buckfat, kimchi sauce, and chili flakes. If this mazemen gets enough love, I might drop the full recipe on Etsy. Let me know with a like or a comment. Subscribe for more ramen! Since this batch has a higher hydration level, just over 6 minutes was the perfect boil time. Honestly, there is way more noodles than I expected. Low-key wondering if I can even finish this, haha. Since mazemen has no soup, it's crucial to mix the sauce base thoroughly with the noodles. And now, it's time for the final plating. What I focus on is making it look beautiful. This is where I show my skills. If it were you, how would you arrange the toppings? It's not just about making it taste amazing. It's fun to think about the design too. Almost done. This is the moment of excitement. I absolutely love the moment I add the pork buckfat. My ultimate creation, Jiro-Style insanely spicy mazemen is complete. If you love this look, smash that like button. One day, I hope I can share this flavor with all of you. One day, I want to come to your city, maybe LA or New York, and serve you the ultimate bowl in person. Or maybe I could freeze it and ship it to you. How should we share this with the world? If you ever come to Japan, don't just try ramen. Make sure you try mazemen too. Every time I make this, I think, I wish I could share Japan's amazing ramen with the world. If you love ramen or thought this looked delicious, please share this video with your family and friends. I'll keep making delicious ramen from here on out, so stay tuned. If there's a ramen you want me to cover, let me know in the comments. I could talk forever, but that's it for today. Make sure to watch the next one too. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment if you enjoy it. See you in the next ramen adventure. NojiNora life. Thank you.